Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am here with yet another gift giving idea video. I know you probably saw the one on the gift baskets, but I'm going to do one slightly different with 20 bundles. I guess you could say. Some people don't want to give gift baskets but want something more either original or something, just something different. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So I'm going to read these off of a paper because there's no way I can remember all these. But I'm going to start with the men. And the first idea would be a gift card. And it doesn't have to be to a super expensive restaurant. It could be a mid-range restaurant, just something every day. Somebody can stop in and get something. And that would be like a Chick-fil-A, Chipotle, or something like that. Or you can get something more expensive. But a gift card to a restaurant, some socks, a nice manly graphic tee or a long sleeve t-shirt, something of a nice fabric, and then some nice sunglasses, some nice shades. The second thing would be a Yeti or a generic form of a Yeti tumbler, an insulated tumbler that they can put their coffee in, hot chocolate, or either a cold drink. Something you can put with it would be a favorite team baseball cap or football emblem, their favorite football team or whatever, a cap like that. The next thing would be men's lotion from Bath and Body Works, or it could be even something from Walmart or something like that. Dove has like a little men care line, so it could be something from Dove or Irish Spring or something like that. But a men's lotion, deodorant, body wash, and a back scrubber for the shower or bath. And you can get that from the Dollar Tree. The next thing would be a powerful Bluetooth speaker because a lot of men love music. So a Bluetooth speaker along with a men's candle, something manly, and an electric toothbrush. The next thing would be a self-cleaning robot vacuum, especially for a single man that sometimes are not used to cleaning and doing a whole bunch of stuff themselves, especially when they first move out. But a self-cleaning robot floor or carpet cleaner would be great. One of those little round ones, kind of like on a remote, I think. One of those would be great for them. The next thing would be coat and gloves, earmuffs, and even sunglasses. I see people wearing sunglasses in the winter. I do. So you could even stick a pair of nice sunglasses in there. Like I said, sunglasses you can get at Burlington's, K&G, Ross's, and different places like that that will not break the bank. The next item would be a man's gift basket of hair care products, and that would be with hair products. You could do Shea Moisture. Of course, men love those as well. Cantu and different. There are plenty of products you can choose from. Beard balm. Make sure to stick some beard balm in there if the man that you're buying for has a beard. And it's scented. Beard balms come scented and they make the beard so soft. And you could stick in some lotion and soap and deodorant as well. The next thing would be sweater and blue jeans. That's something pretty common. But of course, know that their taste and know what they like. The next thing would be robe, slippers, and pajamas. And if you don't want to do a robe, because nowadays it seems like people don't do robes like back in the day when we did when we were younger. But slippers and pajamas or some warm socks. The next thing would be shoes, socks, and a tie, and a handkerchief. I know that's pretty common, but that's another idea. Shoes, socks, a tie, and handkerchief. The next thing, we're going to go up to the women. A nice t-shirt. There's a lot of nice t-shirts that women like to wear now that has phrases and writings on them. But a nice t-shirt with something, stateable would be nice, with a glittered glass or a glittered coffee mug. And you could order those off of Etsy or different places like that. The next thing would be a pajama shirt or dress, or a set of pajamas, fuzzy socks, or either decorated slippers. The next item is a mug with hot chocolate in it, and also marshmallows, maybe a little cellophane thing of marshmallows, or either a whole bag of marshmallows. You can also stick in there some homemade cookies or homemade brownies to go with that. The next thing would be nail polish, a nail file, fingernail polish remover, lip gloss, a small scented lotion, and some fuzzy socks. The next bundle would be soap, Dove, or any brand you'd like, but hand cream, either a big thing of lotion, and maybe a facial cleanser. That would be nice in a basket or a bag. The next item, or next bundle, would be a nice, pretty, fuzzy blanket and a book. If you have someone that loves to read, a book and a blanket would be awesome. But also know the type of books that they like to read and get them something that's new, that's on maybe a bestseller list. The next bundle would be a sweater or a long sleeve top and earrings. And I keep saying or a long sleeve because it's winter right now. Also, the next thing would be a Dollar Tree gift basket or a Dollar Tree gift bag. And I've already done a video on that, so you can go to that after this video. There are many, many ideas for gift baskets and gift bags. For the teens in your life, you can do a gift card to Chick-fil-A or McDonald's, Chipotle, or somewhere that they like to just stop and eat. You can also get a teen gloves and a hat, and that could be in the bundle with the gift card. The next thing would be if you have little ones in your lives, nieces, nephews, you know, different things like that. Get them a little gift bundle of something that's out right now, like Frozen is something that's popular for them right now. So you can get, they have so many things. They have Frozen garbage cans. If they have a bathroom of their own or they share it with their sibling, a shower curtain, puzzles. You can get a Frozen puzzle, or, you know, Spider-Man or something like that. Coloring books that have the same theme, a night light. There are so many different things you can get in one bundle for a little one. And last but not least, do not forget the senior citizen in your life. For them, you could get a gift basket of a crossword puzzle, an assortment of coffees, an insulated tumbler also, or a mug, and some slippers. So I hope that gives you some ideas. I know some people were wondering, well, what else other than the gift baskets and the, you know, things like that. So those are 21 ideas of things that you can get for people that you love in your life for Christmas. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this and got some ideas. And if you are new here, subscribe. I'd love to have you being a part of the Tracie's Place family, and hit that notification button. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And share this video. Share it on your Facebook platform or Twitter or wherever. Give some people some ideas of things to get, because it is last minute now. All right, guys. Love you all. Be blessed. And I'll see you guys next time right back here on Tracie's Place. Bye.